Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.
Now we're good.
Okay, some of our mobility scooters we can ship in the crate. Some of them we cannot, just because a lot of them need more assembly than others. So this is the Classic. This is the Okolo 4-wheel Classic. This is the one with the roof. Which how hard would you say the roof is to put on?
It's really tough because the holes don't
Yeah.
line up. Sometimes you got to take a Dremel to it.
Yeah.
And you're clamping and move. Yeah.
So, but if they order the Classic without the roof, then
It's pretty basic.
yeah.
Yeah, there's not too much hard stuff there.
So Darren just got it out of the crate because when the wheels are all on, it obviously makes it easier. He just had to attach the handlebars because they were down lower, and there's the bolt there. And then the batteries come with this one in it.
Yes.
Even better. So if you're interested in Nova Scotia, any of the other provinces, and give us a call about which mobility scooter we can ship to you. Flex we can ship. Anything's with the roof, we just have to give you a pre-warning that it's tricky, like you said, lining up. But we have a video on that too. What else can't? Most of them are all coming with all the wheels on.
Well, even the Tao Freedom, it's not really tough to get that front wheel on.
Yeah, you're right.
If you got a person helping you,
yeah.
It's not tough.
And shipping's cheap. We've got the standard, the flat $199. So that's just an example of how the scooters come in the crate.